I just hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm gonna celebrate by opening up a $7,000 laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. So, I did it! 2,000 subscribers. Thank you everybody that has subscribed, liked my videos, even disliked my videos, all the criticisms, all the thumbs up, all the the critiques, all the comments, all the conversation that we're having here, and the engagement that we're having here on Zach Talks Tech. It really means a lot to me. You're definitely reaching out, interacting with me on Twitter. I definitely appreciate it. So I decided to celebrate by opening up the 2018 MacBook. Finally, if you guys have been following me on Twitter and Instagram and even some of my videos or live streams in the past, or even other people's live streams, you know that I got this MacBook. I ordered it the day that they came out with it. I ordered the souped up i9 2TB version. I'll put the specs somewhere here on the screen. You guys can look it up. It's the fully spec'd out one with the 2TB drive. But I haven't opened it yet because, first the videos came out saying it's too hot, and then the videos came out saying, no, it's fine, you just can't use certain programs. Then other videos came out saying, no, it's still too hot. And then Apple released a statement saying, no, we just have to put a software fix and you'll be good to go. So the software fix came in, and then everybody did their tests again. Big thumbs up to guys like Jonathan Morrison and Dave Lee over there, Day2D, for doing everything that they did to reassure and put these things through their paces, because now I have the confidence to finally open this. Now, I'm not a MacBook or PC or laptop expert by any means compared to other tech that I know, but I knew that I wanted a laptop after my Asus basically died that just worked really well with software and was going to be functional and just well optimized and everything like that. And everything that I looked at just led me back to the MacBook. So I bought a MacBook, a souped up MacBook with a 1TB drive in April. I kind of regret making that purchase because, these guys came out. But hey, here we are. So I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this other MacBook, whether I give it away or give it to somebody that might need it, or, recycle it, or I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. If you guys have ideas, let me know down in the comment section. But I knew when this one came out with the 32 gigabytes of RAM, along with the the insane storage and the i9, I was like, yes, this is going to be a future-proof laptop going forward, and get me through the next 2 or 3 years. I bought the Apple Care with it, so anything happens, basically I can take it in as long as it's not physical damage, and away we go. So enough dilly-dally. Let's open it up. So this is the same box it came in the day it was delivered, exactly 2 weeks ago. We got this little tab right here. Just gonna pull that back and we'll get into this. Apple makes this really easy. If you ever had one of these delivered to your house. Moment of zen, here we go. The 2018 MacBook Pro 15-inch with touch bar, 2TB SSD, i9, fully souped up. Let's open it up. Let's open up the plastic, and yeah, there's not much inside, but let's open up the plastic with my knife. It's got a MacBook smell. There's your top, not much to see. There is the MacBook right there. I'm just gonna pull it out. If you've ever seen what comes with the MacBook, you get a USB-C to USB-C cable here, and then under here, underneath the documentation here, is your plug-in, your power, and that's it. That's all they give you. You know what? We've got to take off this plastic here. Ooh. Oh, smells expensive. It is expensive. All right, and we'll open her up. As soon as you open it up, it wants to boot up and start to play. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and transfer my stuff from my existing MacBook over here, and yeah, away we go. Ooh. So like I said before, guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching the videos, participating on Twitter, watching the photos on Instagram. You know, the comments and everything, it really means a lot. I'm glad you guys are all here, part of this community. And thank you very much. My way of celebrating right now is to open up this finally and get it going. And I'll probably bring you guys a review or something like down the road. I hope you guys like this content. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.